Breathe, shoot. Breathe, shoot. Like every other stroke, there are 3 components to breaststroke: the head position, or the breath, the pull, the arms, and the kick, the legs. The second component we're going to talk about in breaststroke is the breath, or the head position. The head position, when it's not breathing, should be slightly below your arm. You want your head to be slightly below your arms as you glide. Now, your arms would be fully extended, but I'm trying not to crush the microphone here and ruin the audio. But your arms would be fully extended with your head below them. Your arms would be squeezing your head. When you breathe, start your breath as soon as you start your pull. So the moment your hands separate, that's when the head starts to lift as well. Boom, right there. In the water, glide, and it happens again. They're like in sync with one another. Boom, breathe, pull at the same time, hands go forward, face goes down, same time. Breathe, shoot. Breathe, shoot. Breathe, shoot. Like any stroke you're doing, you want to be able to breathe continuously, no holding your breath. So when you're up here, you should be inhaling, and when your face goes back down in the water for the glide, you should be exhaling. Found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're going to be increasing the price of the membership soon. Also, go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year, but every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're going to have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Johnny Rocket, and let's get swimming.